Hello viewers, I have a 2005 Mini Cooper S manual. It's not starting, it's not even turning over. So here's the deal. I hooked up the battery, I checked the battery is good. It's fully charged. It's 12.57 I guess volt, so it's fully charged. Now I'm turning the key, nothing. Okay, turning the key, nothing. All the light come on, but not even click. It's not even turning over. So doesn't do anything. It's a manual 6-speed. I've been turning a couple times, like 20 times, holding, doesn't do anything. All right, let's go under the hood because I already checked some of those wires. I hooked it up the battery. So here's my test light. Okay, I have to go to the store to see if I'm getting any power in there and start it. So let me check on the starter. Already removed the heat shield. If you can see down there, starter right there. Putting a test light. See, I'm getting ground in there. Alright. And now I have to check on the body. See, I'm getting ground in there. And also ground there. Okay. So next step, so what I gotta do is bypass the starter. I mean the ignition switch, because I already put 3 different ignition switch right here. As you can see it, 1, 2, 3 ignition switch. Still doesn't start. So it's not the ignition switch. So what I'm going to do is to bypass the relay and stuff. So I gotta start it manually. So I'm gonna hook it up this starting switch. I'm gonna hook the red to positive side, and then this negative to the starter switch. Still don't know it. All right. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. This is kind of just right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there, the starter solenoid feed power. And that's the one. Alright, now come back to that. Alright, so I'm gonna do some more tests to see where's the power is getting. disappeared or from the relay or the ground, and then I'll be back, post it with you guys what was the issue.